Hey Ron, it's Mark here, buddy. Hopefully this video will help you a little bit in trying to figure out these job clocks. So I've set this up to where I have to type in the password as soon as I open it, and that's important because you want to start with it that way, because the password you enter into here determines which job clock gets used. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and type in the owner's password. The owner's password in this particular machine is 22820, and notice up here, this is the owner. Ron is his name. You might recognize that fella. Anyway, he's been working on this job. In this particular job, he's got 7.1 hours on this job. All right. His machine has a total of 7.2 hours. It's a little confusing because it actually says current job up there. What it should really say is that this is the job clock, or it should say this is hour meter, is what it should say. And if you look over here in the hour meter, it is 7.2. So this machine has a total of 7.2 hours on it, 7.1 of which were put in by Ron. Okay. So Ron can go in and he can add users. So I'm going to go over to my clock here. I'm going to go to password lockouts, type in my code again, 22820, and go to user settings. Right in here is where I can put different users in. Okay, now I've got Ron put in, he's in, and then I got Billy, he works for Ron. His password is 12345. Notice Billy has 0.1 hours on his. So in order for Billy, his job clock to show up, what I have to do is I have to log in under Billy. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just going to turn this off, turn it back on. It comes on. 1 2 3 4 5 is Billy's password. Comes up and you notice Billy, it says Billy right up here. He's got 0.1 hours on this job. All right, and so that's how we do that. Now another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as the owner, because this is the only way you can do this, is 22820. So I'm logged in under Ron, and then I'm going to go over here to same thing, my lock here, go into password lockouts, type this in again, my owner password, and I'm gonna go in here and I can go in, let's say Billy's done with that job. All right, I'm gonna hit Billy, I'm gonna go into Billy and I'm gonna reset his job clock. So right now he's got 0.1 hours. All I have to do is hit this reset button right here, number 9, hit that, he just went to 0. Okay, so I just reset Billy. Now when Billy clocks in on the next job, then it will be starting all over again. Okay. Here's another way you can use your job clock is you can go in here and let's say you start a job and the name of the job, let's say you're doing a project down at the co-op. Okay. And I'm going to type in co-op, and I'm going to give the co-op its own password. So the co-op password is going to be 11122. So now anybody that gets in this machine on that job, when they get in it, it is going to log them in 11122 as the co-op job right up there, and it'll manage your hours that way too. So just a different way of doing it. All right, buddy, hope this helps. See you, bye.